वैसे क्या कह रहे थे तुम? बाय द वे, व्हाट वर यू सेइंग? वैसे क्या कह रहे थे तुम? बाय द वे, व्हाट वर यू सेइंग? तुम मुझ पर नजर रख रहे थे। यू वर कीपिंग आई ऑन मी। यू वर कीपिंग आई ऑन मी। इतनी जल्दी में कहाँ जा रहे हो? वेयर आर यू गोइंग इन सच अ हरी? वेयर आर यू गोइंग इन सच अ हरी? तुम अपने पापा को सच क्यों नहीं बता देते? Why don't you tell your father the truth? Why don't you tell your father the truth? अभी भी 1,000 रुपए कम है। Still short of rupees 1,000. Still short of rupees 1,000. वही तो मैं तुमसे कहना चाह रहा हूँ। That's what I am trying to tell you. That's what I am trying to tell you. मैंने यह अपनी आँखों से देखा है। I saw it with my own eyes. I saw it with my own eyes. क्या मैं तुम्हें एक राज की बात बताऊं? Can I tell you a secret? Can I tell you a secret? वह कहीं गिर गया होगा। He must have fallen somewhere. वह कहीं गिर गया होगा। He must have fallen somewhere. तुम ऐसा कुछ नहीं करोगे। You will not do anything like that. You will not do anything like that. वैसे क्या करता है वो? By the way, what does he do? By the way, what does he do? वो अपनी बात से मुकर गया। He went behind his words. He went behind his words. वैसे तुमने ऐसा क्यों किया? By the way, why did you do this? By the way, why did you do this? तुम्हें शक करने की आदत है। You have habit to doubt. You have habit to doubt. यह मेरा अंतिम फैसला है। This is my final decision. This is my final decision. बीच में टांग मत अड़ाओ। Do not interfere. बीच में टांग मत अड़ाओ। Do not interfere. मैं गहरी सोच में बैठा हूँ। I am sitting in pensive mood. I am sitting in pensive mood. मैं यह अपनी मर्जी से करता हूँ। I do this of my own choice. I do this of my own choice. इसे यहाँ क्यों रख दिया? Why did you put it here? Why did you put it here? केवल काम की बात करो। Just come to the point. केवल काम की बात करो। Just come to the point. क्या तुम्हें मेरा नाम याद है? Do you remember my name? Do you remember my name? मैं दर्द से छुटकारा चाहता हूँ। I want to get rid of the pain. I want to get rid of the pain. क्या उसने इलाज कराया था? Had he undergone treatment? Had he undergone treatment? काश मैं मुंबई में होता। I wish I were in Mumbai. I wish I were in Mumbai. तुम बहुत चटोरे हो गए हो। You have become an epicure. You have become an epicure. मुझे चावल से ज़्यादा रोटी पसंद है। I prefer chapati more than rice. I prefer chapati more than rice. अपनी पढ़ाई पर ध्यान दो। Concentrate on your studies. Concentrate on your studies. कल कभी नहीं आता। Tomorrow never comes. कल कभी नहीं आता। Tomorrow never comes. हमेशा बड़ों का सम्मान करें। Always respect elders. Always respect elders. कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है चिल्लाने की। There is no need to shout. There is no need to shout. तुम कुछ बोलते क्यों नहीं? Why don't you speak anything? Why don't you speak anything? दूसरों पर निर्भर मत रहिए। Don't depend upon others. Don't depend upon others. गलती से भी मुझे मत छूना। Don't touch me even by mistake. Don't touch me even by mistake. दूसरों की हंसी मत उड़ाओ। Don't make fun of others. Don't make fun of others. तुम्हें मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी। You will have to work hard. You will have to work hard. मेरा खेलने का कोई इरादा नहीं है। I have no intention of playing. I have no intention of playing. कभी-कभी झूठ बोलना पड़ता है। Sometimes we have to lie. Sometimes we have to lie. तुम एक हफ्ते में कितनी बार बाल धोते हो? How often do you wash your hair in a week? How often do you wash your hair in a week? वह बात-बात पर घबरा जाती है। She gets nervous at every word. She gets nervous at every word. वह रोजी-रोटी के लिए काम करता है। He works for bread and butter. He works for bread and butter. हम आमने-सामने बैठे थे। We were sitting face to face. We were sitting face to face. कसम से मैं वहाँ कभी नहीं गई। I swear I have never been there. I swear I have never been there. तुम्हारी स्कर्ट बहुत ही ज़्यादा छोटी है। Your skirt is way too short. Your skirt is way too short. परीक्षा बहुत ही ज़्यादा आसान थी। The exam was way too easy. The exam was way too easy. क्या तुम उससे डरते हो? Do you get scared of him? क्या तुम उससे डरते हो? Do you get scared of him? तुम वहाँ कर क्या रहे थे? What were you doing there? What were you doing there? मेरी दादी कहानियाँ सुना रही थी। My grandmother was telling stories. My grandmother was telling stories. क्या तुम कभी झूठ नहीं बोलते? Do you never tell a lie? Do you never tell a lie? कुछ भी हो सकता है। Anything could have happened. कुछ भी हो सकता था। Anything could have happened. तुम बड़े चिड़चिड़े स्वभाव के हो। You are very short-tempered. You are very short-tempered. वह क्या करेगा पक्का नहीं है। What he will do is not decided. What he will do is not decided. मैं केवल उससे ही किताब पढ़वाऊंगा। I will make only him read the book. I will make only him read the book. मुझे ये काम करवाना है। I have to get this work done. I have to get this work done. दिल पर मत लो। Don't take it to your heart. दिल पर मत लो। Don't take it to your heart. मुझे अकेले जाने में शर्म आती है। I feel shy of going alone. I feel shy of going alone. तुम्हें जो सोचना है सोच लो। Think whatever you want. Think whatever you want. दूध फट गया है। The milk has curdled. दूध फट गया है। The milk has curdled. मैं सिर्फ तुम्हारे लिए जिंदा हूँ। I am alive only for you. I am alive only for you. आप लोग उसकी मदद क्यों नहीं कर रहे हो? Why are you not helping him? Why are you not helping him? वह पानी ला रही है। She is fetching water. वह पानी ला रही है। She is fetching water. मैंने अपराधी को पकड़वा दिया। I have got the criminal arrested. I have got the criminal arrested. जहाँ तक मैं जानता हूँ वह एक अच्छा आदमी है। He is a good guy as far as I know. He is a good guy as far as I know. लोग मेरे चारों ओर थे फिर भी मैं तन्हा था। People were there around me, yet I was lonely. People were there around me, yet I was lonely. यह नोट चल जाएगी। This note will do. यह नोट चल जाएगी। This note will do. वह एक नंबर की चुगलखोर है। She is a backbiter of first order. She is a backbiter of first order. पैसा मेरे लिए कोई मायने नहीं रखता। Money means nothing to me. Money means nothing to me. अगर ऐसा चलता रहा तो What if it goes on? अगर ऐसा चलता रहा तो What if it goes on? वो जल्द ही ठीक हो जाएगा। He will be get well soon. He will be get well soon. वो अकेलापन महसूस करता है। He feels lonely. वो अकेलापन महसूस करता है। He feels lonely. वह बहुत खुश मिजाज आदमी है। He is very jovial man. He is very jovial man. मैं आपको परेशान नहीं करना चाहता हूँ। I don't want to bother you. I don't want to bother you. मुझे रोज हिचकियाँ आती है। I hiccup every day. मुझे रोज हिचकियाँ आती है। I hiccup every day. अगर बारिश में खड़े होगे तो भीग जाओगे। If you stand in the rain, you get wet. If you stand in the rain, you get wet. आप उसे समझा नहीं सके क्या? Couldn't you explain to him? Couldn't you explain to him? क्योंकि मेरे ऊपर जिम्मेदारियां हैं। Because I have responsibilities. Because I have responsibilities. मैं उन्हें इस हाल में नहीं देख सकता। I can't see him in this condition. I can't see him in this condition. मैं हर बात में मजाक नहीं करना चाहता। I don't want to joke about everything. I don't want to joke about everything. वैसे बारिश में चाय पीने का अपना ही मजा है। By the way, having tea in the rain has its own feel. By the way, having tea in the rain has its own feel. मुझे यहीं से ऑटो मिल जाएगी। I will get an auto from here. I will get an auto from here. तुमने जो भी कहा गलत है। Whatever you said is wrong. Whatever you said is wrong. ठीक है, इसके लिए मैं अपने भाई से बात कर लूँगी। Okay, for this I will talk to my brother. Okay, for this I will talk to my brother. अंग्रेजी बोलने का अपना ही मजा है। Speaking English has its own feel. Speaking English has its own feel. क्योंकि आपका छाता अभी भी मेरे कार में है। Because your umbrella is still in my car. Because your umbrella is still in my car. तुम सचमुच बहुत अलग हो। You are really very different. You are really very different. तुम अब तक उनसे नहीं मिले क्या? Didn't you meet him yet? Didn't you meet him yet? हम उसके भरोसे बैठ नहीं सकते। We can't depend on him to help. We can't depend on him to help. आपके फ़ोन के बाहर भी एक दुनिया है. There is a world outside your phone too. There is a world outside your phone too. शायद कोई दस्तक दे रहा है. Maybe someone is knocking. Maybe someone is knocking. मैं अपने कपड़े बालकनी पर कभी नहीं सुखाता. I never dry my clothes on the balcony. I never dry my clothes on the balcony. धीरे से दरवाजा खटखटाओ. Knock on the door gently. Knock on the door gently. शर्ट पर दाग कैसे लग गया? How did the shirt get stained? How did the shirt get stained? बिस्तर पर कपड़े मत फैलाओ. Don't spread clothes on the bed. Don't spread clothes on the bed. आज मैं वजह बताऊंगा. I will tell the reason today. I will tell the reason today. तुम तुरंत घर आ जाओ. You come home immediately. You come home immediately. मेरे साथ दोबारा ऐसा मत करना. Don't do this to me again. Don't do this to me again. आपको तो कुछ भी नहीं आता. You don't know anything. You don't know anything. मैंने इसके बारे में कभी सोचा ही नहीं. I never thought about it. I never thought about it. मैं ये बात कभी नहीं भूलूंगा. I will never forget that. I will never forget that. ये जगह बिल्कुल साफ है. This place is perfectly clean. This place is perfectly clean. लेकिन मैं तो देखने के लिए आई हूँ. But I have come to see. But I have come to see. चलो उस कमरे में चलते हैं. Let's go into that room. Let's go into that room. मगर वो यहीं रहेगी. But she will stay here. But she will stay here. लेकिन मैं यहाँ से जाने के लिए नहीं आया हूँ. But I haven't come here to leave. But I haven't come here to leave. तुमने सारा मज़ा खराब कर दिया. You spoil all the fun. You spoil all the fun. खर्चे दिन ब दिन बढ़ते जा रहे हैं. The expenses are increasing day by day. The expenses are increasing day by day. मेरी किस्मत दूसरी तरफ है. My luck is on the other side. My luck is on the other side. ऐसा किसी को नहीं लगता है. Nobody thinks like this. Nobody thinks like this. कल से आने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. No need to come from tomorrow. No need to come from tomorrow. तुम्हें मेरी काबिलियत पर शक है? Do you doubt my abilities? Do you doubt my abilities? क्या तुम अपना वादा निभा पाओगे? Will you be able to fulfill your promise? Will you be able to fulfill your promise? सबसे पहले खुद पर खूब मेहनत करो. First of all, work hard on yourself a lot. First of all, work hard on yourself a lot. वो घोड़े बेचकर सो रहा होगा. He is having a sound sleep. He is having a sound sleep. उससे बात करने का कोई फायदा नहीं है. It is no use talking to him. It is no use talking to him. ताली दोनों हाथों से बजती है। It takes two to make a quarrel. It takes two to make a quarrel. तुम्हारे बस की बात नहीं है। This can't be done by you. This can't be done by you. तुम्हारी तो नाक बह रही है। You have a runny nose. You have a runny nose. मेरा कुछ करने का मन नहीं कर रहा है। I don't feel like doing anything. I don't feel like doing anything. मुझे सोने से पहले ध्यान करना पसंद है। I like to meditate before bed. मुझे यकीन नहीं है कि कौन सा विकल्प चुनना है। I am not sure which option to choose. I am not sure which option to choose. मैं सुबह उठने वाला व्यक्ति नहीं हूँ। I am not a morning person. I am not a morning person. मुझे अपना पासपोर्ट नवीनीकृत कराना है। I need to renew my passport. I need to renew my passport. मैं सप्ताहांत के लिए इंतजार नहीं कर सकता। I can't wait for the weekend. I can't wait for the weekend. मुझे अपनी कार धोने की ज़रूरत है। I need to get my car washed. I need to get my car washed. मस्का लगाना तो कोई तुमसे सीखे। One should learn buttering up from you. One should learn buttering up from you. शुक्र मनाओ हमें कुछ नहीं है। Be grateful that nothing happened to us. शुक्र मनाओ हमें कुछ नहीं है। Be grateful that nothing happened to us. मैं पुराने गानों का दीवाना हूँ। I am crazy about old songs. I am crazy about old songs. बाहर का खाना कम कर दो। Cut down on fast food. Cut down on fast food. मैंने वहीं तो उस अजनबी को देखा था। That's where I had seen that stranger. That's where I had seen that stranger. इस तरह का आदमी घमंडी होता है। Such a man is arrogant. Such a man is arrogant. इंग्लिश सीखने के लिए सबसे ज़रूरी क्या है? What matters the most to learn English? What matters the most to learn English? उसे चापलूसी नहीं करनी चाहिए। He should not flatter. He should not flatter. धीरे धीरे सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा। Gradually everything will be fine. Gradually everything will be fine. तुम ज़रूरत से ज़्यादा बोल रहे हो। You are speaking more than enough. You are speaking more than enough. मुझे नई नौकरी की तलाश है। I am looking for a new job. I am looking for a new job. आपकी छुट्टियां कैसी थी? How was your vacation? How was your vacation? क्या आप खेल देखना पसंद करते हैं? Do you like to watch sports? Do you like to watch sports? मैं सप्ताहांत को लेकर उत्साहित हूँ। I am excited about the weekend. I am excited about the weekend. मुझे नहीं पता कि पार्टी में क्या पहनूं। I am not sure what to wear to the party. I am not sure what to wear to the party. क्या आपके पास मेरे लिए कोई सवाल है? Do you have any questions for me? Do you have any questions for me? क्या मैं विंडो सीट पर बैठ सकता हूँ? Can I sit in the window seat? Can I sit in the window seat? तुम्हारी कॉल का जवाब नहीं दिया। I didn't answer your call. I didn't answer your call. क्या मेरा सपना सच होगा? Will my dream come true? क्या मेरा सपना सच होगा? Will my dream come true? तुम्हें उससे क्या लेना देना? How does that matter to you? How does that matter to you? क्या खाने के लिए और कुछ अच्छा नहीं है? Isn't there anything better to eat? Isn't there anything better to eat? बाकी सब ठीक है। Rest everything is fine. बाकी सब ठीक है। Rest everything is fine. मैं दौलत का भूखा नहीं हूँ। I am not after money. I am not after money. तुम अपने बारे में बिल्कुल लापरवाह हो। You are quite careless about yourself. You are quite careless about yourself. यह ट्रीट मेरी तरफ से। This treat is on me. यह ट्रीट मेरी तरफ से। This treat is on me. क्या हुआ? क्या कहा उसने? What happened? What did he say? What happened? What did he say? दादाजी कुछ ऊंचा सुनते हैं। Grandfather is hard of hearing. Grandfather is hard of hearing. तुम सफलता के नशे में चूर हो। You are drunk with success. You are drunk with success. मेरा ऐसा इरादा नहीं था। Such was not my intention at all. Such was not my intention at all. मैं तुम्हें परिवार से बढ़कर मानता हूँ। I consider you more than family. I consider you more than family. मैं किसी से आँख नहीं मिला पा रही थी। I was not able to face anybody. I was not able to face anybody. यहाँ माहौल बहुत गर्म है। Here the situation is pretty heated up. Here the situation is pretty heated up. इसका अपना ही मजा है। It has the feel of its own. It has the feel of its own. मैं फीका दूध पीता हूँ। I take unsweetened milk. I take unsweetened milk. वो दिन में 4 दफ़ा यही करती है। She does this 4 times a day. She does this 4 times a day. आपका बेटा बड़ा चुलबुला है। Your son is really playful. Your son is really playful. यह कोई ऐसे वैसे लोग नहीं हैं। They are not just ordinary people. They are not just ordinary people. मैंने उसे पहली दफ़ा देखा। I saw her for the first time. I saw her for the first time. ये नकली सिक्का है। This is counterfeit coin. This is counterfeit coin. दीवार में दरार है। There is a crack in the wall. There is a crack in the wall. ये नकली दांत है। These are artificial teeth. या फिर कह सकते हैं These are false teeth. These are artificial teeth. वो हम दोनों के बीच दरार डालने की कोशिश कर रहा है। He is trying to create rift between us. He is trying to create rift between us. ये नकली नोट है। This is counterfeit note. ये नकली नोट है। This is counterfeit note. कभी यहाँ पर एक स्कूल था। Here was a school once. Here was a school once. आपकी खोई हुई घड़ी यहाँ है। Here is your lost watch. Here is your lost watch. यह लो अपनी पुस्तक। Here is your books. यह लो अपनी पुस्तक। Here is your books. तुम्हारा भाई यहाँ आ गया। Your brother came here. Your brother came here. ठीक है, कुछ मिनट बात करते हैं। Okay, let's talk for a few minutes. Okay, let's talk for a few minutes. तुम किस कॉलेज में पढ़ते हो? In which college do you study? In which college do you study? आज छुट्टी का दिन है। Today is a holiday. आज छुट्टी का दिन है। Today is a holiday. मुझे अखबार देना जरा। Please get me the newspaper. Please get me the newspaper. आपको अपना वादा याद है? Do you remember your promise? Do you remember your promise? उसने मेरा सिर नीचे कर दिया। He has brought me to shame. He has brought me to shame. वह घबराया सा लगता है। He looks rather nervous. He looks rather nervous. देखिए वह कितने पानी में है। Let's see where he stands. Let's see where he stands. मेरा सिर चक्कर खा रहा है। My mind is reeling.